In this video, let's learn how to divide the number 900 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 9. We know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get 4. Now 4 is less than 5, so we will bring down this number 0 here. And we know that 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, we get a 0. Now 0 is less than 5, so we will bring down this number 0 here. See that this is the number 0, so we remove 1 0. And we know that 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 900 divided by 5 is equal to 180. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.